In 1978, Erzinger was founded. Today, the largest national equipment manufacturer for pre-treatment and painting. A 100% Brazilian company in continuous and sustained growth through deep knowledge of the market. It's located in the city of Joinville, Santa Catarina, one of the country's most important and developed industrial hubs. Throughout its years of experience with constant investments and improvements, Erzinger has always remained dedicated to ensuring the delivery of complete and innovative solutions in painting equipment to its customers. Erzinger has strong participation in industry segments such as agroindustrial, automotive, civil construction, electronics, appliances, metal mechanical, furniture, plastics, among others. A reference in developing and manufacturing equipment for surface pretreatment and painting, Erzinger is recognized by several prominent differentials. A large, modern industrial park to provide the highest standard of technology, quality, and reliability in its products. Highly qualified and capable professionals to identify customer needs and exceed expectations. An engineering team focused on customized projects meeting the most stringent technical standards and the highest market requirements. It counts on a strong technical support structure with a specialized team prepared to provide support and after-sales to Erzinger's customers. Aiming to fully secure operational continuity and guarantee spare parts supply to its customers, Erzinger has an ample stock of original spare parts and components, providing speed and reliability in customer service. Utilizing the most innovative technology in this field and through renowned national and international partnerships, Erzinger offers a complete range of equipment that meets the most rigorous specifications for each segment in which it operates. Erzinger provides complete solutions covering automatic crane systems, allowing for logistics suitable to the process. Overhead conveyors for handling diverse types of parts interconnecting various processes. Power and free conveyors, which allow optimizing physical space, making it flexible, compact, and productive by using buffers throughout the process. Floor conveyors that provide excellent ergonomics and meet specific needs of certain parts. Immersion pretreatment equipment, applied in large and complex geometry parts in intermittent processes, optimizing space in the installation's layout. Spray pretreatment equipment, providing high productivity in continuous and homogeneous processes. Liquid coating booths, effective in ensuring removal of overspray, keeping the environment clean and safe. Powder coating booths, designed to optimize powder recovery, offering flexibility for cleaning and color change with lower operating cost. Cathodic painting equipment, known as KTL or E-coat, applied as solutions that require high coating uniformity across the workpiece area, providing an efficient and highly productive process. Electrostatic powder spray guns for manual or automatic application, efficient in transferring and applying powder coating or on the workpiece. Ovens for drying, curing, and polymerization processes with heating and insulation systems to ensure greater energy efficiency. Erzinger is the official distributor for Wagner high-performance powder and enameling booth systems, featuring a quick and safe color change system, among other benefits such as increased productivity and paint savings. Erzinger maintains its commitment by working with seriousness, competence, professionalism, ethics, innovation, as well as social and environmental responsibility. Erzinger, a benchmark company in quality in its segment, is committed to the continuous pursuit of productivity and perfection through trained and motivated employees, aiming for total customer satisfaction. Erzinger, Coating Systems Solutions.